is for alligator, swimming in the stream, snapping his tail in the sunshine's gleam. B is for bear with the honey jar, so sweet, licking his paws, oh what a treat. C is for cat, chasing butterflies, purring and jumping under blue skies. D is for dog, wagging tail all day, barking hello while he runs to play. E is for elephant, big and round, splashing water all around. F is for fox with a shiny coat, playing in leaves near a little boat. G is for giraffe, so tall and grand, eating thin leaves in the sunny land. H is for horse, galloping fast through the meadow, having a blast. I is for iguana, basking in the sun, climbing on rocks, oh what fun. J is for jellyfish, glowing in the sea, floating so gently, happy as can be. K is for koala, cuddled in a tree, chewing green leaves, so cozy and free. L is for lion, with a tiny roar, rolling in the sand by the shore. M is for monkey, swinging up high, laughing and chattering in the sky. N is for narwhal, with a twisty horn, swimming in the sea at early morn. O is for owl, who's wise and bright, hooting softly in the moonlight. P is for penguin, sliding on the snow, waving at friends as he goes. Q is for quail, pecking seeds